Hey guys, Rich Bassini, your YouTube vlogger and creator here. Today I want to talk about some news I came across and I want to share it with you guys. Now, if you are a person like me that you love YouTube Shorts, I do. I've been creating quite a bit of videos using that new platform that YouTube have implemented, last year I think it was? Whatever year it was, I think it was last year. I've been using it ever since. I mean, if you look at my YouTube Shorts, I created quite a bit of them. And I like it, and the reason why I like it is you could create a video on the fly. If something comes up right away, you want to share it with the rest of the people or your followers or potential subscribers, whatever, you could do it with the YouTube Short. But did you know that, from what I heard on the news this morning, or I should say this evening, that now you can shop on YouTube Shorts soon. Supposedly it's going to be coming soon. Check this out, folks. And I'm going to give you the link to this here. I'm going to drop the link below. I'm not going to give you the whole link like this. I'll just copy and paste the link and you could read more into this here. But this story is from High Tech Make Life Simple, I guess, website. And it goes on to say you can shop on YouTube Shorts soon. It says YouTube is testing shopping features with US-based creators or audiences in the US, India, Brazil, Canada, Australia. This story, because I always like to throw dates out, folks, was updated November 16th, 2022. Okay, and the reason why I like to throw dates out there is because I don't want people to think this is old information, you know. So I always like to throw the dates out there. I'm going to read a little in there. There's not much to read in here, although I will give you the link because there is some other stuff that you might want to go down. I think a little further down you can read, but I don't want to keep this video too long. I just want to bring the news to you guys. So it goes on to say here, YouTube Shorts will soon be including new shopping features on the platform. This includes affiliate marketing and the ability to purchase items through Shorts. I'm okay with that. According to The Verge, this update was reported by a leading British newspaper. The long-form giant is testing shopping features with US-based creators and audiences in the US, India, Brazil, Canada, and Australia. I think it's pretty cool. All right, and like I said again, you know, they have over here, it says view other images. I'm not going to click that on. Like I said, folks, you could do that at your own leisure. I just want to bring this to your attention, and you know, just to throw it out there because I love sharing information. And I said in my other videos, when the information comes readily available to me, I'm going to make it readily available to you guys. So I hope you'll check it out. I hope you'll, come by and check out my videos every now and then. I hope you'll subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated when I post that in the videos, please hit that bell notification icon. But let's read a little more into this here. It goes on to say, as per report, this allows influencers to tag their own products in Shorts that viewers can then purchase. An affiliate marketing program open to select U.S. influencers adds yet another way for creators to monetize their Shorts. Now, how great is that? I mean, aren't we all looking for monetization? I know I am. And then it goes on to say here, for platforms that run on advertising dollars, shopping is potentially a lucrative area, and Shorts competitors are eyeing expanding even more into e-commerce, reported The Verge. Okay, it goes to say affiliate programs and other shopping features could make YouTube more appealing for content creators as the company tries to compete with TikTok. Last week, TikTok began testing its long-anticipated shop program, which lets users purchase products directly in the app. And then it goes on to say here, as per GSM Arena, TikTok has made it clear its plan to integrate shopping into its app. Before testing in the US, the features was available in the UK and parts of Southeast Asia. And lastly, it goes on to say, follow High Tech for the latest tech news and reviews. Also, keep up with us on Twitter, Facebook, Google News, and Instagram for our latest videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, which I'm going to be subscribing to, by the way. All right, I'm gonna drop their link below, and you guys can read a little more into it and check it out for yourself. I think it's actually great news, folks. To be honest with you, I love YouTube. I've been on YouTube since 2013. I am a YouTube creator. I think right now I got 1,629 videos or something like that. And I tell you the truth, I love it. I love being on YouTube, and I love the idea with the when they came out with the YouTube Shorts. I think that is one of the greatest add-ons that YouTube has implemented within their system, so to speak. So if you never tried YouTube Shorts, folks, try it out. Give it a shot. I mean, it's a good way to just give a quick little blurb out there about your new YouTube channel. Maybe you want to give it an informal introductory, or formal or informal, whatever, about your new YouTube channel, or maybe you're an online reseller. You might want to talk about the product that you're selling. I'm also an online reseller. I sell on eBay, so there may be times I might want to throw a little, YouTube short out there about maybe something I'm selling, or maybe I might want to talk about a new video that's going to be coming out. Whatever. It just goes on and on and on. You could do so much with the YouTube Shorts. I know it's only a minute long, but believe it or not, within a minute's time, you could get that message out there. I think people would be more attracted to a YouTube short than a long form, but I still do long form videos, as you know, folks. For those who subscribe to my channel, for those who follow me, I don't do no short videos, you know what I'm saying, outside of the YouTube Shorts. So just want to throw that out there. But anyway, guys, listen, I do want to keep this video short, so I hope you guys will check it out. I hope you're excited about it as much as I am. As a matter of fact, I did a YouTube short about this here, and I already posted up on Twitter and stuff. So I think it's kind of exciting. I don't know. I like it. I love, like I said again, I love YouTube, and I love creating videos, and I love sharing information with you guys. So again, last before I go, I just want to say, if you like this video or any of my videos, please don't forget that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated as to when I post the videos, please hit that bell notification icon. And lastly, I just want to say this: for those of you out there, for you new YouTubers out there who are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, I am wishing you guys all the best and success. And remember what I say, but if you're new to my YouTube channel, you probably don't, but I say the 3 things: keep it real, keep it original, and let your channel grow organically. And one of the most important things along with that is to create good thumbnails and good titles. Okay, so go out there, create those videos. Use the YouTube Shorts. They do work, folks. They do work. I have to honestly say, I could definitely attest to that there, because I noticed there was an uptick on some of my short videos, and I know because I looked through the YouTube analytics, and you could see the shorts that gained subscribers. So definitely check it out. All right. Talk to you guys the next time. Rich Bassini signing off. Bye-bye for now.